There are Pocoyo and his friends. It looks like they're building a tower together.
Hello, everyone.
Hi.
Hi, Ellie. Hi, Pato. Ooh, looks like it might topple over. Good catch, Ellie. Everyone is definitely working together to build this tower. Well done, Pocoyo. Oh, what's wrong with Pato, Pocoyo? What are those funny noises he's making? Can any of you tell Pocoyo and the others what's going on with Pato? Had a turn. Pato's had his turn. So whose turn is it now? Can any of you tell Pocoyo right. Whose turn it is now? Pato does have the hiccups.
Hiccups.
Oh, don't worry, Pato. Hiccups are nothing to worry about. But they are rather annoying. Do you want to get rid of your hiccups, Pato? Maybe together we can think of a way to help Pato get rid of his hiccups. Oh dear, that was quite a sneeze. Oh, sounds like Ellie might have an idea. Oh, what is Ellie doing? That's right. Let's try to build the tower. Ellie wants Pato to hold his breath. Nice idea, Ellie. Do you want to try it, Pato? Okay, Pato. Take a big breath on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Well done, Pato. That should do it. Good job, Pato. Now it's Ellie's turn. Oh, dear. And it seemed like such a good idea. Oh, you have an idea too, Pocoyo. Oh dear, I think she's going to blow. Oh. What is Pocoyo doing? Oh, I see. You think Pato can get rid of his hiccups by standing on his head. Well, what do you think, Pato? Want to give it a try? Let's try again. There we go. Now, Pato? I say, I think this time it might have worked. Oh, well. That seemed like a very good idea too, Pocoyo. What's that, Ellie? Do you think hopping on one foot might get rid of the hiccups? What do you think, Pato? I wonder where Pato is. Can you see him, Pocoyo? It does look a bit silly, but you never know. Perhaps everyone should jump on one foot to make Pato feel better. Trying again, are we? Come on, Pato. Well, it was worth a try. What's Pocoyo doing now? Oh, he's holding his breath, standing on his head, and jumping on one foot all at the same time. What do you think, Pato? Oh dear, poor Pato. Is he all right? Psst, hey, come here. Pato is doing that. I might know a way to
Pato,
get rid of the
there's no need
hiccups,
to quack
but it's a
like that.
surprise, and Pato can't know about it.
Pato,
One way to
Ellie
stop
isn't
hiccups
sneezing
is to
on
give someone a
purpose.
surprise. You know, like come up behind him and say,
People and elephants can't help it when they sneeze. It just happens sometimes.
no, come back.
I think
Pato
Pocoyo wants to
can't
help.
know that you're going
That's
to
very
startle
nice of
him.
you, Pocoyo.
It has to be
I
a
don't think
surprise.
Ellie is feeling too well. So maybe Ellie doesn't feel like playing at all.
hiding! What a good idea, Pocoyo. Why didn't I
Where
think
should
of
she
that?
be?
I've
if she
got another
isn't feeling
idea.
all that
Why
well?
don't all
Can
of
any
you
tell
help
Pocoyo
Pocoyo
where
and
Ellie
Ellie
could
say
go
boo
to feel better?
So let's all say boo after 3. Ready?
Go to bed.
Yes, Ellie should go to bed. Resting is a very good thing to do if you have a
Boo
cold.
didn't scare him, but it started the tower swaying.
Maybe
right
Ellie will
behind
feel
Pato.
a bit better
Pato,
if she has
watch
a
out!
Yes, now you can build your tower without any sneezes knocking it over.
No hiccups.
It worked! The surprise that surprised everyone.
Pato may have caught
cured
Ellie's cold.
Pato's
Watch
hiccups. Hooray for working together! Hooray for Pocoyo! Hooray for hiccups! Bye-bye! Bye-bye for now. Now I've got to see you soon.